Men, to the divine masculine. At some point in life, you lost your power, your confidence. Maybe it was to a father who once upon a time lost his power and he fell victim to his own dependencies. Maybe it was to an abused or abusive mom. Maybe it was just to a missing parent altogether. Maybe it was to a stressed out, unhappy parent, and you felt completely powerless because you couldn't fix it and make them happy. The cycle repeats and you feel that same sense of powerlessness and you lose your confidence in your relationships. But over time, you develop false power, false confidence by maybe cheating, perhaps being abusive, playing mind games, drinking, doing drugs, spending money. You feel confident having a phone full of women you can smash or get any type of attention from, maybe even money. You feel validated spending your time hitting up women on social media, and when one finally hits you back, you get that hit of dopamine. You feel in control, playing mind games, walking in and out of women's lives, blowing hot and cold. You can't seem to make the woman in your life happy. You feel powerless to her, but you have a few side pieces you can feed crumbs to and feel that same sense of false power. But this power, this confidence, is short-lived. You see, because how confident and powerful do you really feel when the high is gone and you need another fix? How in control do you feel laying in bed with a woman you feel absolutely no connection to, so you have to lie and fake your way out of the situation just to regain your power? How powerful do you feel making a woman fall deeply in love, but you're scared shitless and gotta back away because you can't fulfill any of those promises? How powerful do you feel going back home every night to a hurt and unhappy woman? How powerful do you feel when she walks out, takes your kids and start playing games with you because she too has lost her power? How powerful do you feel when you look down at your phone and none of those women you spent your money, your attention, your time, your energy on trying to hook is even hitting you back? It is time to stop playing with divine feminine. Stop playing with yourself. There is a real powerful man behind this false god that you've created, but you spend so much of your energy looking for him outside of yourself. You're angry, you're hurt, you're bitter, you've lost respect for women, but you created this. You cannot manifest true power from a state of pain and powerlessness. Only more pain and powerlessness. Man up by acknowledging your pain, that powerless, hurt, confused inner boy within you. Let go of the shame, the anger, and the bitterness. Redirect that energy into your purpose, into your health, your mind, your body, and your soul, so that you genuinely radiate power. Women won't nag. You can have any woman you choose. No unnecessary money, no mind games, no lies needed, because that woman, any woman you meet, will genuinely reflect that powerful man back to you. You were born with the same power that created this beautiful world within you. You were born to be powerful, creative. You were born empathic. And because of generational curses, that was stolen. But it is time to take your energy back, stand in your power, and create the life you've always wanted to live.